Subscribe now. So don't buy the Withings ScanWatch 2 unless you want a medical-grade ECG. Just imagine, in 30 seconds, you'll know if your heart's in the right rhythm. Really, who needs that kind of peace of mind, right? Don't even think about getting 24/7 heart rate monitoring. Notifications for high or low heart rates are just too helpful. And who cares about tracking your heart health over time? Whatever you do, don't get the temp tracking feature. Knowing your baseline body temp and fluctuations is overrated. It'll just encourage you to boost your workouts with temp zones. Seriously, who wants to be that in control of their health? And definitely skip on measuring your blood oxygen levels. Who wants to track breathing disturbances overnight? It's just going to make you more aware of your health. Oh, and avoid tracking your sleep like it's some kind of science. Sleep duration, interruptions, and a score assessment? No thanks. You really don't want to optimize your sleep quality. But hey, if you want to sleep like a baby, go ahead and get it.